my best advice is to not settle. Every early franchise or wants to grow and grow fast. They think that's sort of the name of the game. You got to get some early momentum. And there's nothing wrong with that. There's plenty of brands that have been able to grow pretty quickly, but I believe that slow is the new fast. And so don't just settle for your old college buddies or your, country club buddies either. Maybe there's a true franchisee in that world, but more likely it's not the case. Create a process so that you can vet a franchise candidate properly. And then maybe that means instead of opening 20 new stores your first year, you only open 2. But those 2 are going to be rock stars. They're going to be Hall of Famers that you can lean on for the rest of your life and not have to talk about some of the early mistakes. All those buddies I just talked about, some of those buddies no longer own a franchise because they really weren't built to own a business in the first place, much less a franchise. They just had money and they trusted me.